What's up guys, welcome to today's video. I'll be sharing with you a DIY do-it-yourself tutorial or an educational video on how to clean your shower head at home. It's simple and easy to do it. But before then, you are watching Lorenzetti's YouTube channel. For all my new subscribers, welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being part of my journey. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much. So before we start, I'd like to show you that the first thing you do, you make sure that you cut off power supply to the main house so that you cannot get electrocuted while cleaning the shower head. So here you will open this. Is the main box or the main meter that supplies power to our house, and as you can see the buttons are on, so you will put it to off, this red big button. So now it's on off. That means there is no power supply to the house. And next I'll show you the tools I'll be using to clean the shower head. So these are the tools that I'll be using to clean the shower head. Here we have some liquid soap that I'll be using to clean it. I have a brush here, as you can see it. I have some pair of gloves that I'll wear when cleaning the shower head. We have a cleaning cloth that I also need to use. And at the end of the day, we shall use some serviettes to dry the shower head when I'll be closing it. So kindly watch as we do the rest of the activity. So this is how we shall be opening the shower head. There's this lower part that we want to clean, so you leave this upper one there. So you will first remove this part of the shower so that it cannot disturb you when cleaning the rest of the shower. At times it can become hard to remove it, but I've gotten it. So I'll remove that part of the cable to the shower. So the next step, we shall open it this way. As you can see, it has some water in it, but we can let it run out so that you cannot be spilled with water. This is the water that remains when you shower at this part, the upper part of the shower head. So there is no problem because we have already put the power source off. So we let it drain, and then you can be able to remove it without any disturbance. So this is how we remove it, and as you can see, it is very dirty. This tells you it is very dirty. You can see it's so dirty. And then we shall clean this part, and then we shall also clean the inner side. You can see it is also dirty from the inside. So this is what is left in the upper side of the shower. As you can see, these are called elements that help to distribute power to this shower head. So I'll take a moment and show you how we can clean this part. So at this point we shall add the liquid soap that I told you. Here is the liquid soap. We shall add a small amount of it, and then we shall add water to it. That is enough to do the cleaning. As you can see, this is how the inner side of the shower head looks like. It's too dirty, and also the other part. So I'll place it inside the soapy water, and as you can see, it has already started becoming clean. This is how it looks, but I'll use the washing cloth to assist me do it more better. You can stay with me as I wash it. So maybe pass some plain water, see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. I'll try and get to these other places, the edges of the plastic, and try to remove the dirt from it. Also, you can go get a toothbrush from your local store, and you can use it to clean these edges so that they look cleaner. And the reason for using toothbrush is because the brittles can reach the places you cannot reach with the washing cloth. So this is how it's cleaning. So let us rinse with water and see how it looks like. At least it is getting more cleaner. So there are few places that I can see some dirt. I'll wash again those edges. And this area. This looks better, and also you can come to this other side and wash the inside of it. You can also use the toothbrush again to this end. We shall rinse it once again. This you can also remove this black rubber band and also wash the end of the shower head. So I think this now is clean. Also wash this rubber band. this is how the end product looks like after washing it. This other place is so clean, unlike the way it was when we started washing it. So this is how it looks like. We shall place it aside, then we shall dry it later. So this is the other part of the head shower that we want to clean. So I'll use the piece of cloth that I have, the washing cloth, to try and get this dirt out. It's a bit dirty, so I'll try to come in between the holes where water comes from and try. So let's rinse it with clean water and see how it looks like now. So this is how it looks like. So I'll use the brush at this point and try to remove the dirt from the edges. It's coming out nicely, as you can see. So we shall rinse it once again and see how it looks like at this point. So this is how it looks like. I'll try wash again at these edges and try to remove every dirt. Let's rinse it again. As you can see, this is how it is looking. Maybe you can do it one more time. The final bit is clean now from the inside. I can use the washing cloth and also do this from this other outer side, so that it is thoroughly cleaned from the inside and the outside. And then you can do this from the outside, so that the holes can also be clean. These are the holes where the water comes from when you are showering. So we rinse it once again. This is the final product. This is how it looks like, and from the inside. So the last step of cleaning, we shall take a needle and then try to unclog or unblock these tiny holes where the water comes from when you are showering. So you can start from the end so that you don't miss on any hole. This is a needle, so you will be piercing it through the holes as you try to unclog it. There are so many holes, so you can take your time to So the reason as to why we are unblocking these holes is that when you shower, there will be plenty of water coming out of these holes. And the other reason is that at times when they are blocked or clogged, you get water splashing all over the bathroom. So this is the reason as to why we unblock these holes. So we are done unblocking the holes. You can also use this kind of brush to brush the outer side to make it more clean. You can apply some pressure on the brush. This is just a general maintenance routine to keep your head shower clean and properly maintained. So we rinse it and then we rinse with clean water. So the final products look like this. At this point, I think everything is clean. As you can see, the inner side is very clean. The inner side also on this other part is also very clean. The outside is also very clean. So we shall use the serviette to dry it, then we take it back. So this is the paper towel or the serviette. You can use it to clean it. You just tap it to the water. You don't rub it, because when rubbing it, you can also block it once again. So you just tap it to dry it up. As you can see. So this is very dry now. You put it aside, and then you also tap it to dry the water. So this is how they look. Very dry, very clean. So at this point we shall close it or return it the way it was. So this, you just place it from the top like that, and then we return it to the rest of the shower head. So you shall return it to the power source. This green wire here is an earth wire, so you will take it to this hole here. So it goes in there, and this one Now first you will take it from this point and then you will bend it, because this is what brings power to the water to make it hot. And then make sure everything is returned properly so that it fits in well. Also make sure this rubber band is well placed so that you don't have leakages when you close it. So there it is. This wire goes to this point. As you can see, that is how it's supposed to be. And then you return the outer part of the head. You try and tighten it. So this is how it looks at the end of the... So this is how it looks like at the end of the activity, washing it. So we want to thank you so much for watching our video to the end, and we ask you kindly once again to subscribe, like, share and comment, and invite friends to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Until next time, goodbye.